In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present a PowerPoint on Google Meet in 2025. This guide will walk you through the process effortlessly so you can maintain a professional appearance while engaging your audience effectively. Presenting your slides during a virtual meeting is a seamless way to share your ideas visually, and by following these steps, you'll be ready to do this with ease. First, let's begin by opening the PowerPoint presentation you wish to share right on your computer. Ensure you have everything ready in your slides that you want to present. Having your presentation organized is crucial as it helps maintain a smooth flow while you're presenting. Double check for any animations, embedded videos, or transitions that you plan to use. They should work seamlessly during the presentation. Next, head over to the Slideshow tab in PowerPoint and choose Play from Beginning. This will activate Presenter View, which is incredibly handy. Presenter View gives you access to notes and a preview of upcoming slides right on your computer screen. This way, you can stay on track without having to switch between notes and slides or disrupting the flow of your presentation. It also allows you to monitor time, ensuring your talk fits perfectly within the scheduled meeting duration. Now that your PowerPoint is set up and ready to go, let's move on to Google Meet. Open Google Meet and join the meeting you're presenting in. Make sure your audio and video settings are correctly configured. It's always a good idea to perform a quick tech check before the meeting starts, ensuring everything is functioning smoothly, from your microphone to your camera and even your internet connection. Once you're in the meeting, look at the bottom of the Meet window for the Present Now button. Within the meeting controls, click on this and you'll see different options for how you can share your screen. Choose the option that says a window. At this point, you'll be prompted to select from the various windows open on your computer. This is where you choose a specific window that's displaying your PowerPoint slideshow. Make sure you're selecting the correct one to avoid accidentally showing anything else to your audience, like emails or personal tabs. After selecting the PowerPoint window, your presentation will begin streaming to all meeting participants, allowing them to see each slide as you advance through your presentation. You can navigate your slides as you would normally in PowerPoint using the arrow keys or your mouse, while maintaining eye contact with your audience through the camera. And by following these steps, you'll present your PowerPoint slides effortlessly and professionally on Google Meet, whether for work, school, or any virtual gathering. This skill enhances your virtual communication prowess, boosts audience engagement, and ensures your message is delivered clearly and confidently. Now you're ready to deliver your presentation with confidence, making sure your content captivates and resonates with your listeners. Remember, preparation, organization, and tech checks are the keys to a flawless virtual presentation. Happy presenting!